And now suddenly there are only 2 berths available for all of us to work on. And we have made many representations to the port that our livelihood and our workers, mainly our workers' livelihood, will be affected if you give this berth to only one company. But they went on, and suddenly a few days back they just took over the port and affected stewarding company's work and said from this time onwards the berth has been handed over to a private party.
How many stevedores are present today and how many of them?
We are now nearly 7 or 8 stewardess.
And what about the work that you're carrying out now? What happens next?
So that is what. Now work in berth number 10 and 11 will now not be with us. If the port goes ahead with their handing over the berth to one person.
So what is your demand now?
No, our demand is that it should go on like the old process. All stevedores should be allowed to work. And we, do all approach the port, we do all payments to the port differently. Should be that. Now, nobody else can work in this port, in this berth, number 10 and 11.
You all have submitted a memorandum to the CM. What request demands you all have kept in the memorandum? In short, yesterday to the CM.
The CM is definitely that we are only worried that we want the work to continue as before, and we are worried about the unemployment that will cause if all our operations are stopped. But we will not be in a position to pay our staff. So that is the biggest problem.
सध्या आता सरान सांगला अशें स्टुडिओ सगळे बंद पडला आणि त्यांच्या अंडर हांव काम करतालो. आता टोटली 7-8 स्टुडिओ तेंच्यांनी मोनोपोली करून ओनली डेटा सगळे बॅरिकेड घालून सगळे तेंच्यांनी ब्लॉक केले 10 आणि 11 आणि आमकां इवन 10-11 दोनूच बर्थ असले थंयच आमी आमचे लोकल स्टुडिओज काम करतात आणि आमी खंय मिड स्ट्रीमान काम करना. आता सध्या माझे लेबर सगळे घराडे भरलेले आहात आणि 25-30 फॅमिली तितून वर्कआउट करतात. ऑपरेटर, सिग्नलमॅन ते सगळे आमचे लोकल सगळे घराडे भरलेले आहात. तेंचे फॅमिलीज आहात ते कशे करतात आणि हांव कसो सर्वायव करतो. आणि ॲज अ लोकल आमी डिमांड करता की हितून कितें तरी तोडगो हाडपाक जाय सीएम सरान.
2 दीस पयलीं तांकां जे प्रायवेटायझेशन करून तेंचें तें हें जालां आनी तांकां जे बर्थ दिलां. आमी पयलीं 30 वर्सां जाले ट्रक चलयताले. आमचे डॅडीच्या टायमाच्यान आमी हांगा पळयता आनी भितरले जे माल चलताले हें चलता ते आमी लोकल्स करताले. सो आतां अशें जाल्लें आहा की 2 दिसाच्यान आमचे गाडयो सद्या बंद आहा. आमी बंद दवरलेल्या सगळ्यो गाडयो आनी ते आपले पयलींच तेंचे 10 व्हडले डंपर आहा ते बी भायले नंबर के गाडी आनी तांकां तेंचे JL नंबर. एक्चुअली JL नंबर कोणाक मेळना. JL नंबर फक्त 6 व्हिलरांक मेळटा एज पर द ओल्ड. आतां कितें जाल्लें आहा की तांकां ते आनीकूय गाडी हाडपाक सोदता अशें आमकां न्यूज मेळ्ळा. सो दॅट बाकीचो भितरलो धंदो पळय आहा जर आमी ट्रान्सपोर्टर करताले ते टोटली आमचे कडल्यान काडून घेतले. सो ऑलमोस्ट 100 फॅमिलीज आर डिपेंडंट ऑन दीस थिंग. ड्रायव्हर्स जाले हे जाले भितरले मॅकॅनिक्स जाले. सो एकूय येतले. सो हेंचो फुडलो एम्प्लॉयमेंट कितें. सो हे समज अशेंच उरलें जाल्यार आमकां मागीर कांय ऑप्शन उरचें ना. आमकां मागीर रस्त्यार येवचें पडटलें. कित्याक आयज समज ही अशी मोनोपॉली जाली आनी हें जालें जाल्यार ते फाल्यां आमकां आडयतले. फाल्यां ते फूल प्रायवेटायज करतले जाल्यार आमकां भायर दवरतले. सो आमकां खंयच ना वचपाक. सो आमी एक मेमोरेंडम दिला ऑनरेबल सीएमाक आनी तेणी सांगलां आपूण इंटरव्यू करतलो.
मिटन बाब आता सद्याक सपोज तुमचो कार्गो जो येतालो पयलीं वॉट हॅपन्स टू दॅट. तुमकां हाडपाक मेळटा हाडपाक मेळना. वॉट इज द सिच्युएशन लायक अर्लियर यू वर हँडलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कार्गो कंपनीज.
एटलीस्ट एट 10-11 आतां आमकां करपाक मेळचो ना न्ही. एट 10-11 वी कॅन.
So there is no berth also available.
There is no berth. Which are the berths? There are no other berths.
So all are privatized.
Yeah, if you can see right from earlier JSW, Adani, that was private, and 10 and 11 was the only one that was available for us locals to operate and work. Yeah, that is also now privatized. So where do we go?
So what do you demand? What do you request to the government?
We request that let it run as it was running earlier. Keep it open for all students, so that everybody live and let live. That everybody is alright.
So you are willing for any mutual agreement or whatever if the port comes with a solution midway amicably. Taje कितें तुमी ready आहा or how do you look at things now?
So now CM sir has said, Honorable CM sir has said he is going to call for a meeting and come to some solution. Alright, so we will wait for it.
But as of now, for the next 30 years, you feel there's a very big threat in case.
Definitely 30 years. Where next 3 months, what will happen? We may have to sit at home. 30 years is far away.
So it is a very crucial situation now.
Very crucial situation.
तुमकां कितें दिसता MPT जे आहा ती सगळें प्रायवेटायज करता आनी हेतून
तुमचे लोकल्स आमचे लोकल्स तांकां मार बसता अशें तुमकां
आतां आमकां मार बसलोच न्हू
या
प्रायवेटायज जालें म्हणटकच
So what-
काम करतले